tired.
Yeah.
Tired. It was exciting, but you know, coming back, you just get real wasted.
You went to Jamaica, like
Just turn the fuck up.
right? Okay. Did you?
Honey vibes. I was ready for the road.
Did you? You still to any guys, cute guys out there? Come on.
There's plenty of cute guys. But
Jamaicans
same shit.
have some
Big ass.
you already know.
I mean, some of them.
Listen, I mean, not you know, my man Jamaican, so you already know.
Rotted too.
He gave me the jitters.
Oh yeah.
I don't know. I never fell for a guy like this before. You know, like I really love this guy. You gotta meet him.
I want to.
You gotta meet him.
Okay.
Oh my god. Yeah.
You hear that?
It was probably him coming in. Babe.
Yo.
Hey, he's here. He's home.
Good.
Babe, I'm right here. My best friend.
What's up?
Hey, V.
How you doing?
How are you?
You good?
Yeah, I'm good. How was your day?
I'm good. You fine?
Yeah, I'm good.
Alright.
This is my best friend Bree.
Oh, hi. How you doing?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
We've known each other for like
I'm sorry, my bad. Yeah. That long?
Yeah,
Yeah.
for so long.
Few
Alright,
years.
babe.
Yeah.
Okay, that's
Yeah,
cool.
she's like really cool. So you know you guys could actually get to know each other. You could actually like go out and have like lunch together and get to know each other.
I think that'd be fun.
We could do that.
That'd be good.
Yeah.
All right, so I'm gonna go use the bathroom because I really gotta pee. So
Alright, do your thing.
I'll be back.
So you know my girl.
Hey,
How you doing? Yeah, so how you know my girl?
that's my best friend.
Best friend. Oh, yeah, that's nice. That's nice. Okay.
I like her.
Yeah, that's good.
Nice.
Yeah, so this place nice. What you doing?
I was just seeing what was on your shirt. Little link.
No, my shirt. Everything good, man. Yeah. So, what you doing?
You got little back rolls. I was going to massage her.
No, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Alright. Yeah. So,
Like the little triangles on your legs. You know it's different from the other side.
yeah, I'm telling you. Babe! Hurry up. Everything good?
Yeah, good.
Babe, why it takes so long in the bathroom?
I had a long piss. Hey,
Yeah, babes.
what's up?
No. You know you got, yeah. So, I'm about to go wash some dishes. I'll be back, alright?
Okay.
Alright, do your thing.
Cool.
Nice to meet you, alright?
Nice to meet you.
good.
It's nice.
You like him so far? Yeah. Really cool,
It's
right?
great for you.
Oh, he gave me the jitters.
That outfit is going to be nice. It's so cute.
Hi.
Oh, she's just nice little baby girl. Like, yo. Hi.
What's up?
How you doing?
How you doing?
I'm good.
My best friend is like makeup, right?
Yeah.
Sing, whatever y'all do.
Yeah,
Nice to see you.
Nice to
I
you
need
too.
some help.
What help?
Alright, so I have something going on in my crib. I got a real leaky hole.
Leaky hole in the
It needs
skirt?
a new pipe.
Alright, so I can't do that
I
because
kind of need you to.
no, I'm sorry. My wife, I'm about to go
kind of
back.
need you to. I mean, you good at that, right?
Yeah, I'm good at that for my wife.
I know you got a new pipe.
I gotta do that for my wife. I'm sorry. Later, sorry. See you. Alright?
Alright, I guess I'm gonna have to call your wife since she's the big boss. She got the pants on in this relationship.
What are you talking about?
I'm just gonna have to tell her, the way you be looking at me in the crib when she walks out the room.
I don't know what you're
I
talking
see all
about.
of that, okay? I need my whole fix.
Alright,
Got a
listen.
leaky pipe.
Alright, listen. I'm just coming to fix the pipe. That's it.
Okay,
That's it.
that's what I want.
Alright, I got you. Yo, hope you're not playing with me, yo.
I got something for you. Listen, it's real leaky.
Like, come on, yo. Where's the pipe, yo?
Over
Two
here.
plate pipe could be in the kitchen.
I mean,
Like-
you got the new pipe for me. I'm just gonna show you the old bad one.
What?
The old bad one.
The pipe?
Yeah, the hole is leaky.
Alright. don't know I'm coming over here for y'all.
Just say it.
Yeah.
You see this shit right here?
This is dripping a lot and it needs a whole new pipe in
Alright, you gotta let me fix it.
I mean, wait.
What?
Yeah, I gotta get something real quick. Hold on.
Okay, you guys get about just fix this thing. You go home. My lip ain't no playing thing, boy. Shit, man.
Ready?
I got something for you to see.
Can't believe what do you know? What you want to show me now?
Let's get it on. Let's get it on. Let's love, baby. Let's get it on. Sugar, let's get it on. We're all sensitive.
Dusty, where you at? I'm right in the front. I'm in the front. Where you at? Alright, I want some food. Hurry up. Where you at?
Where is this girl? She better show up. I need her right now. She's off and sitting in the car or something. You said what happened?
Hey, baby! Hi, Boo! I was looking at her number for you. What the fuck you doing? How are you?
Good. What you doing?
We got some shit to do. I'm hungry. We definitely get some food. And guess what? I want us to go and do a little shopping. Help me do a little shopping because I want to go. Okay.
All right, we're gonna get some nice lace. I just get myself some
Get some sexy. All right, let's go. How was your vacation? Good. You enjoyed it? So, like, my boyfriend, like, I love him so much. Like, you don't understand. I really want to go to Valentine's Day. I want to show my appreciation. You should. What you want to do? You want to go to please? That's our secret. All right. Probably something for. They gave us a little booty thing. That's gonna go up the crack of your ass. Alright, I'm not really feeling much in here. Almost like a little kinky, like, you know, really, like some see-through sex. So it's gonna make it straight.
These little things, I love these little things. If you connect that to some nice tights,
Look for some black see-through. So you can get.
and they got a robe. Oh no, it's not really. It's like one little bit. I'll go to sleep.
This could be sexy. With nothing underneath it.
See through your
Nothing underneath it. All naked.
Ready.
Listen. I'm trying to look sexy. That's Granny. we taking this? Oh, look. It comes with almost the panties. Right, so we got this. And we got this. Let's take them both. Take them both. Here. Right there. Ooh, give it till he come home. Oh. Ooh, he come home. Let's see. Now be like this. Now like this. No, wait, no.
Bubble your body for the up top boss. Bad man, a fuck your baby, your top class. Aki, jump.
Well, look at my wife, yeah, man.
Hey.
Hey. Babes,
Hey.
you know, so I'm not gonna make you home early today because my boss asked me if we can work overtime.
Oh. Really? Well, okay.
Yeah, man, I do some overtime.
Alright, babe. Well, I'll be here waiting for you. Just do your thing and come home to me, okay? Got a little surprise for you.
You want a surprise to me, E? May I make sure I'm there home before you go to your bed, alright? Alright, babe? Alright, later, love you.
Shit. I left my candle in my best friend's bag. Let me go call her. Ugh. She's not picking up. She's ignoring my calls. It's not like her to not pick up my phone calls now. Alright, I'm gonna go over there because it's not like her to do that.
Hey, how you doing?
Oh my God! Thank you.
Don't worry.
Thank you, come here. Leave him right there.
Right here?
Yeah.
Alright.
Come on.
Damn, baby, looking sexy. Wow.
Well, thank you. Thank you. Come on.
Damn, babe. Look mad sexy.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Yes. Good baby girl, I love me today. Hold on. How whose shoes this? Nothing. I screaming me here upstairs. Oh, wow. Boy, I'm a dead there. In my bedroom. Your wifey.
That's my husband.
Your what? I walk one that's up.
My husband.
You didn't tell me say you're married.
I'm going to bring you my bed.
Get out first.
Tell me first. Come
Who?
on. Look out here.
Yo, I show man for sure today.
I go front.
Hold on,
It's me.
Come in, man, me upstairs.
I know these shoes. No way he should be here. My boyfriend has to shine here.
I wouldn't have people in my bed. You know that man there?
Get off me.
Babes! Oh, yeah, blow some mix. I want you. You have a shot of break?
My husband.
Are your husband that? Somebody remove one in bed.
That's my best friend.
Oh, go on now. What you tell me say? I'm my woman that. So what you man do in your bedroom, woman?
Could you do this to me?
I don't not like that, babes.
Get off of me.
Yeah, she tricked me like babes. She caused it, she tricked me.
I tricked you?
Yeah.
I just needed you to take something.
No. Get out first.
Shoot them both.
Shoot them both. Yeah, shoot them both.
You know what?
On the dead. Shoot them. On the dead.
life.
How you gonna do?
Where you going?
Okay.
Take this gun.
I don't mind one.
Take this gun or you get shot.
Alright, give me gun, give me gun, give me gun.